Hi, Dr. Stacey Avakian. We're at Back Pain Relief Center in our Vineland, New Jersey location today. This is Katie. She's one of our auto accident injury patients. Her primary concern is low back pain. Her accident was about a month ago. She's been coming in for several weeks now, I think. And while her neck and lower back are improved, her low back still has discomfort. So we've just been doing some adjustments and we're going to go ahead and do one today. First, I always loosen up with just a little massage. Feels really good and relaxing. And we've also been working, she's seeing a couple other providers. And so we've all been working together to try and get her back to normal as quickly as possible. And so this is just a way of aligning the hips and low back, spine. Still tender in there?
It's not bad.
Oh, good. Put your right hand on your low back. And switch hands. And back down. So it's just a little analysis that I do. Is that right? I know this one can be a little tender. Alright, nice breath in and all the way out when you're ready. And go ahead and look straight up for me. And up again. Good. When you're ready, you can turn onto your back. And so all of that is just a kind of a decompression of the joints to allow them to move better and excuse me, and create muscle balance. Just a little stretch on the neck. So that's Katie's adjustment for today, chiropractically, and we're going to do a little bit of therapy too to follow. Stacey Avakian, Back Pain Relief Center in Vineland.